How can I fix my Sharp TV when the power and OPC lights are flashing simultaneously?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to fix a Sharp TV when the power and OPC lights are flashing simultaneously. It can be frustrating when you encounter this issue, but don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Let's dive right in.
Checking connections and power source.
The first step in resolving this issue is to check the connections and power source. Make sure all cables connected to your Sharp TV are securely plugged in. Sometimes, loose connections can cause the power and OPC lights to flash. Additionally, verify that the power source is functioning correctly. You can try plugging another device into the same power outlet to confirm if it's providing power consistently.
Power cycling the TV.
If the connections and power source are fine, the next troubleshooting step is to power cycle your Sharp TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes to ensure any residual power is discharged. Then, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This power cycle can often resolve minor issues and bring your TV back to normal operation.
Resetting the TV to factory settings.
If power cycling didn't resolve the issue, you can try resetting your Sharp TV to its factory settings. This process will restore the TV to its original state, potentially resolving any software-related problems. However, keep in mind that performing a factory reset will erase all your personalized settings and installed apps. To reset your TV, follow these steps. 1. Access the TV's menu by pressing the Menu button on your remote control. 2. Navigate to the Setup or Settings section using the arrow keys on your remote. 3. Look for an option like Reset or Factory Reset and select it. 4. Confirm your choice to initiate the reset process. 5. Wait for the TV to complete the reset and follow any on-screen instructions if prompted.
Contacting Sharp support.
If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, it's recommended to reach out to Sharp support for further assistance. Sharp's customer support team is knowledgeable and can provide specific guidance based on your TV model and the flashing light pattern. They may suggest additional troubleshooting steps or recommend servicing options if necessary. And that's a wrap. We've covered the steps you can take to fix your Sharp TV when the power and OPC lights are flashing simultaneously. Remember to check your connections and power source, try power cycling your TV, and if needed, reset your TV to factory settings. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to contact Sharp support for professional assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, and happy troubleshooting!